What's up, good people? Welcome back to Newforex Academy, Newforex Trading, where we trade forex uh, and make money. Okay, so today we're going again with the easy money with SMC project. So we are going to revise our workflow. So first, we need to notice a counter trend move, a move that changes the market behavior, a move that we are saying this is driven by institutions for us to make money following their footprints. Okay, so looking at this structure, we see it was an uptrend, and the market broke the previous high low to make a new lower low, and then the market pulls back into an order block, which will be in our golden zone. If you remember, our golden zone is a zone above 61.8% up to 100% of the Fibonacci level. So we will find an order block that is in that zone, our super zone, our golden zone. And then after finding an order block in that region, we wait for price to pull back into that region. And if it pulls back, we enter our entries on the edge of the order block. And then we set our take profits at the previous lower low that has just been created on our recent lower low. That will be our first take profit, and we'll make another video demonstrating how we can configure other TPs, TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, so now let's look at the real-time market. What is happening today? What has just happened? We could have entered these positions if we were glued to the charts, if we really analyzed the charts. So if we look at this, the trend was an uptrend here. It was making an uptrend, and then here when we come in, the market broke this higher low right here. This was our change of character right here. We had our change of character here, and then price went back into our golden zone, our region, which is within the 61% to the 100% Fibonacci level, and then price retraced after entering that level. Here we didn't make entries. Why? Because we didn't have an order block that was triggered. Our first order block was this one up here, the last green candle. It didn't get triggered, so we had no entry right here. But then whilst we were waiting for another entry, price came, it made this swing, and then it pulled back, okay, and then it left this order block here. And this order block, if we analyze very well, it was indeed in the 61% to 100% level of this retracement. It was in our golden zone. So we would anticipate the market to come back to this golden zone, and we find an order block which is in that zone, and we had this last green candle right here. This was our entry candle, and our stop loss would be slightly above the order block, and we'll be targeting the previous lower low that was created. Okay, so on this entry, how much would we get? It was a short position. Would place our position right here, our stop loss slightly above the order block, our take profit in line with the previous lower low which was created, this one. So this was a 1:3.5 ratio, which means if we risked $10, would get about $35 US. This is a good turnout. It would be a good turnout. This seems like small movements, but if we go to the 1 minute time frame, there we will see that the market really moved a very long way and would get good money with this trade. Let's wait for it to switch to 1 minute time frame. Okay, now if we look at this trade, this was our order block right here, and then we entered here when the candles reached the order block, and then 3 minutes it was already spiking. It was already spiking, and it went straight into our take profit. This was a very good trade, and right now currently happening, we have this other setup. Let's switch back to the 5 minute time frame. Let me show you another entry you would make right now on our next video. discover how we can profit from an already existing trend, joining a trend in its later stages, an already existing move. Okay, so if we look at this trend right here, we broke this structure, right? This is break of structure. And then if we were looking for an order block, in this place we would get this candle right here, this candle, this red candle would be our order block, and we would wait for price to enter that order block for us to have this trade stop loss slightly above here. You can see it's still spiking. It's going down, it's going down, it's going down. Okay, this is a 1:2 profitable trade that we are currently in.